Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an unboxing of a Christian Louboutin bag. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Guys, I've had this bag for about a week now and I have been waiting to share it with you. So here she is. Oh, it is gorgeous. Okay, so this is actually the Louboutin calfskin leather tote bag. I am in love. Let me get this plastic off. So it looks like it's well packaged and everything is sealed really nicely, which I'm happy about because I did pick it up from Nordstrom and I feel like it's not always presented very well. So I am thrilled that this one is nicely packaged. Ooh, what do you guys think? It looks beautiful at first sight. Oh, so Christian Louboutin is known for his red bottom stiletto heels, and he, in more recent years, has really brought his bags to a next level with the red bottom on his bags as well. He's a great designer, and I just feel like these bags are just so elegant and next level. So this is $1,490, and it is also in the most stunning color. I believe it's pronounced lychee, cream color with a slight hue of pink, if that makes sense. So the stitching looks really nice, and then you'll see here this gorgeous sort of spikes, these gorgeous spikes that just add something very special to the bag. Beautiful. So the dimensions of this fabulous tote bag are 15 inches in the width of this bag, 11.5 inches in the height of this bag, and then 5 inches in the depth of this bag. And again, it says Louboutin on the bottom and in this stunning red. It really is nice to have this on the bottom to protect it when you set it down. I just feel like the size of this bag is just perfect for everyday carry. Definitely a good work bag. I am definitely thrilled to have this in my collection. I just feel like it elevates any look. I think you could wear this casually with jeans and a sweater and just have the most stunning bag. You could easily wear this for work, dress up a little bit, and this would go with it. Straps are quite thin, as you can see. And then, like I said, it has the most beautiful metal spikes right here, and that's on both sides. So let's check out the interior of the bag. It does have an open concept here. It does have a little silver lobster clasp that you can close the bag with. Very similar to the Neverfull. Inside is just gorgeous, you guys. So this is 100% calfskin leather, and it is soft and stunning. So the inside is very much a smooth interior lining, and then the exterior is more like a pebbled leather. So inside the bag, it does come with this fantastic pouch, and it does have the silver hardware. And then, oh my goodness, can you see this? This zipper pull is gorgeous. So let me remove this. So clearly it attaches here with a lobster claw. I'm going to unhook it so that you can see the zipper here. So here it's embossed Christian Louboutin, and then on this side, gosh, that's beautiful with the red there. And then, ooh, nice smooth zipper. Then the inside of this bag is like a nice red material. It feels really nice. very pretty. I feel like this little pouch will be quite useful in a bag this size. Nice to put your cell phone, your card holder, and anything else you would need to run into the store with without carrying the entire tote bag. You could just use this. You could easily, make it into a wristlet if you wanted, just like that. So cute. And then, as I said, it's just the most spacious, beautiful tote bag, and I am here for it. So it does say it weighs 2.5 pounds without anything in it. It does have some weight to it. It is so beautiful, you guys. Clearly, I am smitten. As I said, it does have the most gorgeous Italian calfskin leather and the luscious red lipstick trim, elevated elegance all the way around, in my opinion. And it is also made in Italy. I'm a huge lover of things that are made where they are created. I think this is so stunning. Love that it is made in Italy. Love just how elegant and chic this bag is. It's definitely a great everyday bag. It's not too big, but it's definitely big enough to hold all the things. I intend to use this on a daily basis. I do have board meetings, and I also have school events that I need to carry all the things. And so this is just the most ideal size for me. And I'm looking forward to toting this with me everywhere I go. All right, so I'm going to just show you mod shots real quick so you can see what it looks like on. I also wanted to let you know that the strap drop on this is 8.5 inches. So I think it'll fit nicely on the shoulder. I'm about to try that on for you so we can verify that. Okay, so I am 5'10", and this is the most gorgeous tote bag. Like I said, I feel like it's the most ideal size. All right, so it does fit very nicely under my shoulder, which is always a pet peeve of mine. I don't like an uncomfortable, too tight of a shoulder strap. So this one at 8.5 inches is working well for me, and lots of room. I don't feel like it's too tight at all. So this is just stunning in my opinion. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.